Hi everyone, how are you? Today I'm going to present before you an assignment based on principles of marketing. My name is Jodin Thundil Joy. I'm a student of College of the Rockies Innova BC. My group number is group number 4. So I'm doing this assignment with my partner Mr. David. And so we are going to discuss in this presentation about the Benefit Medical Apparel and the marketing plan for a product we have introduced. So let's go into the presentation. Firstly, let's talk about the topics we are going to discuss in this presentation. First, we are going to introduce the Benefit Medical Apparel. So in this topic, we will in this presentation, the slide, we will discuss about what is Benefit Medical Apparel, and second topic we are going to discuss about target market of the Benefit company. Which kind of people, what type of people, their age, demographics, that kind of things they are focusing on. And thirdly, the product. The product is like that. We need to make a product for this company to increase their product line. So we will introduce a product in that segment. And situation analysis. Situation analysis, we have done a SWOT analysis for this company. So describing the strength, the weakness, the threats and opportunities they going to have in this future and for this company. And the product or market objective, the main or aim of this project, the product we have introduced. And going to lastly, we will discuss about the positioning statement, the kind of the demographic, overall demographics, and what kind of people, the trend or the target market, and the type of the product. A brief discussion about that. So first, I'm going to introduce you to the Benefit Medical Apparel company. So what they are, what are they? So this Benefit company is totally about selling medical scrubs to professionals. Like we know professionals like medical professionals like doctors, nurses, chiropractic people, and everyone. Like they need something. The aim of this company is to make something new or something trendy dresses to the medical field people. Like they are doing a lot of work. Like we know they have like shifts more than 12 hours or 13, 18 hours. They work for a long time, and they need comfortable dresses, and which will make them feel comfortable while they are working. They need to run, they need to climb the stairs. So there are lots of physical work they are doing. So to make this their work so efficient and so comfortable, Benefit Medical Apparel have made a scrubs which is really kind of an athletic material, made of athletic material, and which is really comfortable for them. And next, what they are doing is a diet program for the people. They are like the co-founder of this company is a dietitian and a physical instructor. So here they are also making a diet plan for the health for a healthy living lifestyle. The people those who are working in health fields. And what they are athletic fit materials. So as I told to you earlier, their dresses are like an athletic material. The material they have made of their dresses is really cool and comfortable for the medical staffs. So next, we are going to talk about the target market of Medicare Benefit. So they mainly focus on healthcare professionals, like healthcare people who are working in medical field, like doctors, nurses, and that kind of workers who as we all know, like they need a lot of physical activities like running and climbing stairs and all. So they need a lot of work. They will get sweat, and it will happen. So to reduce all this, they have appointed these healthcare professionals. And talking about the age limit, like we all know, medical professionals are almost between 18 to 36 years old. So they mostly focus on males and females, so between 18 to 36 years old. And as you all know, their busy active lifestyle is like that, like they have a busy running everything so they also focus like they people who work in medical field not only work but they also get some refreshments like jogging or walking, so they have designed uh, their things like that, their materials, their dresses, scrubs like that, and focus comfort and style. They need people need comfort and style, like which is not they if you see we see their medical outfits, they are like really comfortable, like they are not baggy things, they are really close to their not really close to not tight enough, not that much, so they easy air circulation and blood circulation is going on, so it's really comfortable for the medical professionals. So let's go to the product which I have selected. So I have selected innerwears for females and males, those who are working in this medical field. So what made to select this product is like now we can see like COVID-19 is going on and lots of medical professionals all over the world are working for benefit of our people to save the life. They are working like 18 to more than 18 hours. So when I thought of them, like when I see the pictures of them, they are like sweating. They when they remove their masks and everything, they're like it's like it's clotted, blood and everything is clotted on their face, and it's a really poor thing. So that made me to think about their lifestyle, what they are doing, because they are without changing, they cannot change their dresses day by day or in certain times as we do. So this made me to think of this kind of things, like making an inner wear for these males and females, which is really comfortable for them, and which will be really supportive things, like for men and women I have designed for this. And talking about the product, it is really comfortable, like as we see the scrubs and scrubs of this apparel, benefit medical apparel, they are really waterproof and comfortable for jogging and everything. They are designed. So I'm also designing this innerwears for people with great comfort and breathable, and which supports their entire working time. Like they can work, like we know, for continuously 18 hours in a cloth, they will get really sweat and uncomfortable. So this material will be really the material we have made of this, the innerwears are really so which soaks the sweat and everything bad odor from their body, and give them more refreshment to work well in their shifts and all. And they are stretchy and soft, like if we have a tight innerwear or something like that, it will be really uncomfortable for working for a long time. So we have made something stretchy, we have made of stretchy materials, which will be really helpful for the person who's using this and will feel comfortable, and it is lightweight and stick to like body, and they really won't get any discomfort while using this material. And it's really soft, like the material which we have used for this material is really soft, and which is a comfortable fit for them. And this is like talked about, like sweat absorbing material we have used on that, which will really absorb their sweat and bad smell, like so they won't be feel any uncomfortable while they're working for 18 or 16 hours long shifts. So now I'm going to discuss about situation analysis of the company which I have made. Like I have made a SWOT analysis for the company. And so talking about the strength of this company is like the brand quality, the brand image they have created for the product. Like they have a good brand image in the society, and the customer service they provide for the customers, or the people who are their customers really now, and it's really incredible people customer service they are doing for the people. And talking about the social media connection, communication with the customers is really about, like, because they are really active in the social media and they are selling more of the, like Facebooks, Instagrams, YouTube, and they're selling more of things to their online shopping. They're selling their things through online shopping. So it's really a good thing and for the strength, as a strength for this company. And talking about the weakness of this company is like, weakness what they have is like, they don't have any uh, direct direct channel or direct stores for selling their products. So they don't have any direct, everything is done online. So they focus on online marketing, online shopping things there through the websites and the opportunities we see as, like, we know, like, and epidemics going on, and so people in medical fields are really suffering for different kinds of threats. Like they are really working hard against this COVID-19 to treat the patients. And we are seeing news and different social medias, like nurses, doctors, and everyone who are working like more than 18 hours to for our benefit, to make our country healthy and safe. So the opportunity for this innovators will be really a good thing if we introduce this thing into the market now. And the threats they will face, like most probably the other customers, other competitors, other companies who are making the innovators, or who are in this field for several years. So this will be a threat for this industry. And next, we will talk about the product or market objective. Aim of this product is like, the aim of object is like create the aim of this product is to create something new, something comfortable for the customer. So like they some people like to live an active lifestyle. So not some people, like mainly focus on the medical professionals. So they like to live an active lifestyle because they are always in their hospitals working for benefit of the patients. So they also need an active lifestyle. So that's they by having a good if you sweat a lot, it will be really infectious and it will be bad for our health. So making a good, as a part of good lifestyle, we have developed this product. And high quality products, like we focus on maintaining the quality. We like to produce high quality products. Like in a ways, we know they need to be really high quality products. Like they are the first thing which are really attached to our body. So they need to be really high quality product. So we like to make this product really in good quality, and which will not affect any body infections, or which will cause in future any body infection or something like that. So we have really researched and made this product for these medical professionals. And like disease free workers. So as I have told, like we need to focus on the health of we are focusing on the health of the medical professionals who are working for a long time without any break. So they need a disease free life, right? Because like the sweat and everything are the main reason some itches and rash, that kind of infections can cause to our body. So we need to take care of that kind of infection. Should not happen for the medical professionals who are working on this in this field. Finally, we are going to discuss about the position analysis of this product. So, so in this slide, we are going to discuss about the positioning statement, like what this item is, like the product, about the product, the brand, item I have made. So we are focused on innovators, like for male and female who are working in medical field, who is like 18 to 36 years old, between 18 to 36 years. So we need to have a healthy lifestyle for that people who are working for benefit or our health for a long time. So we are making this product to make them really comfortable while they are working. The chance of getting they will get sweat and everything is really high. So because they are working a lot, they are running, they are walking, they are climbing the stairs and all that thing. So they will definitely get sweat. So to absorb the product will absorb the sweat. The product material will absorb the sweat from their body and give them a relaxing feel when they're working, and really comfortable for their movement, and it is really helpful for movement. It's not really tight, that the material is really stretchy, that it will make their body movement to move freely anywhere they can reach their high any time. So they can go for a jog and everything, so it will not make them sweaty, like the material will absorb the sweat. So, and talking about the material, it's really made up of eco-friendly materials, which will not be and which will not harm for the environment. So it will not be anything which cannot be recycled or degradable in the environment. So it will not be a harm for the environment, and fit for everybody. So we have made this product, the innovates for men and females. We have different varieties of sizes, and for men and women, so they can choose their own size according to their size, which is fit for their body. And we have different kinds of colors, in different colors and different sizes, and we have a size chart for that, so people can select their usual size according to their body and their fit, everything. So we have made this completely this product totally benefit for the medical team in our world, in people who are working in medical field, who are really benefit for, who are concerned about our benefits. So we are also concerned about the medical about the health of that medical professionals. So that's the main thing we like to conclude. So to conclude, as I described in this video, this innovates for men and women who are working in medical field. There is really in this situation, like present situation, if we see the COVID-19 and everything, is really an beneficial equipment, product for the medical professionals, and it will really help for the people who are working in this medical field.